So it is easy to do composting at home. Number one is to find a suitable place for your compost bin. Number two, you just have to layer the compost bin with the brown materials and the green materials. Brown materials are rich in carbon and the green materials are rich in nitrogen. Let's begin. We are going to start with the brown materials. I'm going to put some twigs at the bottom which will help with the aeration. The dry leaves and twigs, they are rich in carbon. We can add some shredded paper. This is also rich in carbon. Now we can add some green material. Grass clippings and kitchen waste are rich in nitrogen. You can even use the coffee filter. They are also compostable. These bananas are too ripe, so I thought I'll put that in the compost bin also. For the organic materials to decompose, you need air, water and microbes. So after a layer of brown material and green material, you can add some soil also. Whenever you add more materials into the compost bin, if you think it is dry, you can sprinkle it with some water. The side panels and front panel has holes for aeration. We can cover the compost bin so no pests will have access to the compost. Keep adding to the pile until it is full.